When it comes to photography, lighting is integral. Photographic hardware has advanced this last decade, and we're presented with new tools and instruments every day. We have never been more equipped to document image ever. But lighting is still the one variable we struggle to manipulate. Even with all our creativity, daylight still serves as the best light source. And inside, we're dependent on ambient or artificial sources, which can sometimes be a hassle. And we don't always have the time and space to set up or make them work. The worst part is, sometimes we need good artificial lighting at the same time as we need to be spontaneous. This is why we use the speedlight. But it's one of the most abrasive, harsh forms of lighting, and it can ruin a photo, let alone the subject's eyesight. People have tried to fix this, but all we've discovered so far is just how uncontrollable this kind of light is. We tried to diffuse it in Tupperware and cardboard, or bounce it off ceilings and walls. But what if the ceilings are too high? The walls too far away? Maybe the surfaces are wrong shade of color. Maybe you're in the middle of nowhere. And in addition to looking terrible, all the current diffusers serve a very limited function. But we have the solution. It's been 2 years in the making. The BounceLite is the most unique, adaptable and sleek flash modifier ever brought to market. It's a softbox with a bounce reflector. When the bounce doors open, it can operate at an interchangeable degree of angle to fully control the amount of light spill. And the door acts as the white cart to divert light forward onto the subject. Or not, because the door can also open all the way back to allow the flash gun to be used in a normal position if you need the full power to reach far away subjects. In this mode, it can be used as a normal rotating head for direct bounce off ceilings and walls. It was built with a single aim of providing all photographers with total control over any form of lighting condition and venue. So, this diffuser can shoot in landscape or in portrait. It's designed for versatility and is perfect for off-camera usage to create a studio lighting setup. In addition to all of that, the BounceLite has its own unique filter holder. It's a quick changing system, which enables the user to swap filters whilst on the move with total ease. There's even the option to use any material that suits your requirements. Just cut whatever you want to the right size. And the BounceLite doesn't just look good with the rest of your kit, it fits on most models of flash heads, big and small. I consider myself fortunate to have designed something which improved my own photography. I've never been able to apply one diffuser and not require any other. I start the day's shooting with the BounceLite and end it in the same way. It just makes my job so much easier. With your help, I like to make the BounceLite here in the UK, about an hour's drive from my base, where I can keep an eye on the manufacturing process and maintain this level of quality that I've worked so hard to achieve. Flash lighting is about to change. We're just a few clicks away from a brighter or less bright future of diffusion.